Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Life Events DSM-5 checklist. So what is the Life Events checklist? Experiencing different life events has a huge impact on how we view ourselves, those around us, and our physical well-being. Depending on our outlook, this could also lead to distress or major accomplishments. To help professionals identify and assess life events that may impact a patient's mental health, the Life Events Checklist for DSM-5 or the LEC-5 can be used. It is designed to support clinical interviews and provide additional insight into how a person's life events may have affected them. The LEC-5 provides a list of key life events that have been found to impact mental health and can help clinicians identify areas of concern before further assessment. It is especially valuable for the diagnosis of post-traumatic stress disorder, as it focuses on identifying traumatic life events and their impact. It can be used by a variety of healthcare professionals, including counsellors, therapists, and more. Here's how to use a life events checklist. The first step is to fill out the information at the top and read the instructions. You'll then need to rate each statement on the scale included. Tally up results within the additional notes section to close. To view an example of a life events checklist, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download them for free. You can also access the templates within the Carepatron platform under the Community and Assessment tab. You can type in the keywords to find the note faster and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.